You hold the booty like this, right? And you, bro, you gonna get.
Man, we gonna make these edibles, man. You already know what's going on.
Macadamia nuts.
We back with a banger annual cooking challenge, bro.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy.
You wanna say hi?
You nigga.
And sing. I think that's the end. Like,
Oh, I missed it?
No, bro. I've seen it.
Let's go.
Open and your nigga don't crash. I love you bad. All you did was just show your ass. I'm kinda glad. Gotta stay focused on this bag. I got the lag. I did go get 100 flat.
what's good, everybody? It's boy OJX back in with another video, man. Today it's another Christmas special. Show the Christmas hat. Yes, sir. It's Christmas special. We doing a little Christmas cookie competition. We did this last year. If you didn't see last year's, then go up there. Make sure you watch that. Before you guys even continue watching the video, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can join the OJX fam, man. This is the OJX fam right here.
You already know.
Y'all know. Y'all ain't got a look.
This the team. This is squad.
So like I said, we got two teams, team 1, team 2. Our team, my team is team 1. We're cooking white chocolate chip cookies. Team 2, who want to be a representative for team 2?
Me, right here.
I am. Oh, yeah, no, he was the captain. He was the captain.
Oh, you the captain?
Yeah.
My co-captain.
I'm taking over. I'm the pilot. Hold up. We splitting up. I'm team 2. You know what I'm saying, right? You know what I'm saying? We finna make the best cookies in the cut.
How much type of cookies y'all making?
We can't tell them. We gonna show you. We'll have the best presentation. I can't tell y'all what cookies we making because I really don't know. We finna just go off the dome. You dig what I'm saying? But this cookies is finna be good. Y'all keep watching to the end of the video. I'm gonna show y'all what's good with this video.
They just throwing stuff in there.
Start the video. Bam!
Look, she's trying to figure out who in charge. The same lady that stalked us last time. Bro, we got stalked for last time we did this. Roll the clip. Look at her.
Here come these niggers. Goddamn.
Who the fuck's gonna steal eggs?
She's still right there. Like, bro, the hell? She see us looking at you. She like, I don't care if these people look at us or not.
There is a call waiting for customer service. One.
So team 1, what we need, the other team probably running around. We decided that we're gonna make the white chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna try some shit a little different. Bro, what is up with these niggas?
Good cookies, cousin. No cow.
Okay.
Wine in it. My grandma said this is what we put in there.
My grandma said, y'all finna go to jail. They over here trying to steal the same shit. What's it? Y'all finna steal y'all shit.
We gonna design ours though.
This is Kroger. Shut up.
So we gotta find something. Hold on. We got some frozen shit. Frozen? Nah, I don't know.
White swirl vanilla.
I don't know about all that.
It might just be white and it's just for design.
Yeah. Why y'all need jumbo and mini?
Bruh,
Y'all niggas better subtract.
No, I want to eat them.
Yeah. Nigga, you eat them on your own?
Eat them and use them. Yeah, we balling on a budget.
Okay.
This gives the. Don't worry about that. That's for the cookies.
Over here decorating shit. Y'all is not putting this in. Y'all trying to eat this shit. This is on my tab. And y'all over here cheating?
How we cheating?
Y'all over here cheating. Hell no. Disqualified. Scrap. I'm talking about flour, baking soda, shit like that.
Put it back, but he was over there.
Bro, I ain't no grandma, bro. I never baked cookies like that.
Remember, bro. That's $20 on the food stamp card, bro. You can't be.
I'm not using that for no damn cookies. That shit dead. Bro. I'm not buying that shit.
What?
That's on somebody else's tab now.
Help is on the way. What did y'all do?
Oh my gosh.
Now we gotta win. Yeah. We finna restart.
Why would you restart? What happened? Because they keep playing.
So what's the real thing looking like? Before it was $20.
So it's gonna be a rough estimate. You're gonna want to do 1 cup of flour and then 1 egg.
All right, 1 cup of flour. Yeah. 1 egg. Oh. Then you cracked it like you a professional. With that joint.
So you want to get these and you just
Okay.
want to put it together.
Okay.
My boy finna be an army chef.
No, I'm not. I'm a pharmacy type. Yes, sir. Yes.
Here we go.
I went hard on the butter.
Let me show you how to whip the wrist real quick.
With the ooh.
See how that good even mixture right there? Yes, sir.
In the kitchen wrist, twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen wrist, twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen wrist, twisted like it's stir fry.
What is it? Wait.
Cinnamon, nigga, shut your ass up. Like I don't know what I'm doing.
Cinnamon. What are you doing?
Bro, don't try me like I don't know what I'm doing. Cinnamon. Nutmeg, nigga. Yes, I'm drunk, but I know more flavor than your ass.
Nigga, going hard.
I don't have a Nocti certification. Yes, sir. Okay, put some water.
Not gonna lie.
They don't smell like cookies. They don't look like cookies.
It's too liquidy.
Why is it so like liquid?
That's what I said. We need more flour.
I mean, Eric put some stuff in it. Alright, buddy, you OD'ing. Alright, we gonna dump that thing in there. Like, come on, bro. We need to.
I have one. Alex, y'all don't know. I feel like it died.
You finna put the little magic ingredient. What sugar, spice, everything nice.
Oh my God, you fat.
Sugar, spice, and everything nice.
Oh, you finna blow it up.
She got the pants for the loop.
She got the pants for the loop on the box. The icing?
This one is just like a white cookie.
Long way and sideways.
What are you doing? Who taught this girl how to cook?
Oh my.
No, we're not.
Hey. There was more sugar and butter than flour.
What is that?
They putting their marshmallow in.
What, bro? What is that?
Bro, you putting that in the fridge? Okay. We finna be here till 2. Start doing capture strollers like, oh, that's my dance.
It tastes good, but it tastes
That's how much you gonna make this video.
They take all the money.
There you go. Oh my God.
Y'all get disqualified.
What time is it now? No.
Alright, T1, cookie just finally coming out. We still got another batch in the oven. See, these going hard. They still soft. No. Yeah. I'm gonna let these cool down. You gonna see what's up.
How about white?
What are you doing?
The dish is nasty.
Bro, every time this man Eric makes a cookie, it's bad.
Are we doing dark chocolate and milk chocolate? Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is what they do in the kitchen, huh? These are out.
Until they're done.
Oh my, Master Chef.
It seemed like a whale and they got the barnacles. So they gotta cool off.
Every time this man make a cookie, it's bad, bro.
Bite it.
It has no flavor.
Bite it.
It has no flavor.
Bite it.
I told you.
It tastes like cornbread. I love them.
It's sweet corn, bro.
Bro, y'all better sit down. This nigga over here eating 6 other cookies.
Rest it off my ass. You thought I was gonna make good cookies? No! No!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Everybody here, get out!
Bite into some sand. Don't cuss. It tastes like sand. It's
Like powder, bro.
It tastes like powder. It tastes like white bread. He trying to say we disqualified because we make muffins. Look, stuff happens, so we have to do what we gotta do.
Everybody shut up! Everybody shut up! Alright? So like I said, we gotta clean everything up. Hey, stop! You're gonna die if you keep doing this.
I like shit and I want shit. I put my bean on the cookie.
They are cookies.
Nigga, how are these cookies?
They're called brookies. We use the same recipe and we just put ours in cups. I did not cook.
It's not a cookie. You know what a cookie is. Y'all niggas know what a damn cookie is.
This team two.
Winners in this. We got straight winners, man.
He been the cameraman. This team two camera.
You sound like a hater.
He's responsible for all the goddamn highlights. Team two.
This is my team. You know what I'm saying? We made the best. They just did some design. We already know, but all y'all have to do, hit the like button, subscribe to my boy channel, you know what I'm saying? I'm just doing a small vlog right now with my boy Eric. Oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? I still support you, bro. You know what I'm saying? No cap, no problem. I'm drunk. Yeah, he drunk as hell, but it's okay.
Either way, they got disqualified. Because these are not cookies. So.
They are cookies.
It's whatever. Why are you hating?
I don't want to hold my face.
I'm sorry. This is Jiffy. This is Jiffy. This is cornbread.
My sandpaper tastes better than their fucking muffins. What? I'd rather have cornbread. That shit.
Y'all took all the
It was dog
Anyway, guys, that's the end of this video. Them shit was nasty. Both of them. So, in the comments down below, let me know who y'all think you won. Team 1 or Team 2. Anyway, like I said before in the beginning of the video, make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you can join the OJXFilms, man. If you're already an OJXFilm, comment down, let me know. If you want to see more videos, let me know what videos you want to see. Anyway, that's the end of this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah.